Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. This is my first long video, so please show your support. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. So today we will learn how to create this type of trending intro style. Keep a black background ready. Add the character PNG. Go to Mask, select Rectangle, and adjust it as I am doing. Export it. Open the same project again. Replace the PNG and export. Replace it again and export once more. Keep a particle background ready. Add the character PNG and remove its background. Go to Stroke, select Luminance, choose any color you like, and adjust it as I am doing. Go to Graph and select Ease In. Add the exported clip and set it as I am doing. Go to Layer, bring the first overlay on top. Adjust the second overlay as I am doing. And use the Ease In graph. Go to Effects, select Shake. In Object, select All Videos. Set it where the character PNG moves upward. Adjust it to 10%, 40%, 0%. Duplicate it and set it as I am doing. Subscribe for more.